Right here. Today we're here after Hurricane Dorian came through, and this is my yard. It like ripped the tree right out of the stump. And that knocked down the fireplace, and then that tree over there snapped off. And we've been out of power for a day. Now, believe it or not, my whole yard was pretty much flooded. So, cranes in Halifax blew down. Buildings were washed in the water. Everything. That's like a big tree that we now have to use my four-wheeler to haul all this back in the woods. Like humongously laying on the doorstep. This one ain't as bad because it's kind of snapped off. So this is our aftermath. Plus we also have tree limbs laying on the front yard. So this is our aftermath for Hurricane Dorian came through that we have to clean up now. From Roy sign off.